northern being. Woo! Sometimes there's some fish under here, like a big one. Look at that. Hi guys, I hope you can see me. I decided to do my astrology reading, or my little weekly forecast from the water, because it was so good. Here it comes. Alright. Because it's so beautiful outside. So, anyways, except for being a beautiful day today, I need to see these waves. Except for being a beautiful day today, a lot of amazing things have happened. Well, I don't know if that's amazing or not. I guess I want to say that things should be calming down a little bit more. I think we're gonna just sort of like collect ourselves after everything that's gone on. And today. Decided to take my show to the road, to the water. I'm just squatting in some water over here. See how it goes. It's definitely been some rough weeks, so the fact that there's some water, some beautiful water to like just submerge myself in here feels like. Anyways, I hope everyone's doing amazing. I certainly have decided to take a little break. I think that the past times have just been so busy that I really didn't know exactly what I was doing. So a lot of things going on today. Woo. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm just someone who attracts a lot of attention anyway. So imagine this person probably doesn't know what is this person doing in the water like this. It's time to chill out. I mean, what do we have here? The sun's still in Taurus. I don't think that we're gonna be doing anything more than that. So anyway, have a wonderful day. I hope this video came out enough that somebody feels relaxed from seeing this. It's the best.